Like yeah, in perfect world, if you could have this. Oh, nice. That was
shots fired.
Yeah, it's literally.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot easier, and these are quite similar roads actually. You're right.
Yeah. It's gonna get a lot more fun. Like,
oh wow!
We'll
Feels like I'm about to go over the edge.
Now we're gonna start. Yeah. Don't worry. I have full faith in you.
Oh well,
have faith in the car. Have faith in the car.
Maybe the car could do itself.
Because the thing is, until we've actually I've done the extremities test with certain cars. Like I had a Fiesta beforehand, didn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
The fact that I know that this for a full fact, like the way it's, yeah, he loves it. He loves it. The way that the wheels going to 100%, one another, and all that business. Like
it's so good.
Like bends.
No,
you're safe. Like you feel. Literally,
you done well. You done so well, man. Getting it. Okay, if I slow it down, then absolutely.
Keep going, man.
Oh man, it's so. Yeah, I like it. You can definitely go quicker as a normal driver. You can go quicker in this, just because it's more. It's easier. It is easier because it just puts down its power, doesn't mess around.
Yeah.
It's not even like it's a warm.
So with the Clubsport, you say so because it hasn't. Obviously, it's two-wheel drive.
Yeah, front-wheel drive for that.
Drive, so, yeah. So it's slightly.
It's a good laugh in the bends.
Yeah. But you feel like you're on the edge a bit more.
Yeah, I mean that's the thing. And I said it to the last guy. It's a little bit more fun, but if you want that one car for every day, oh my god, this is just like yeah, in perfect world, if you could have this. Oh, nice. That was
shots fired.
Yeah, it's literally. I love that. I said it's the same on the. I'm glad that one had an Akrapovic as well, actually, because it's just a great back to back. Did you just be? This is what I think, and this is why I still hang on to my R. You look at all the fuel issues and stuff. It's like if you're gonna be paying for it, have a nice car to put it in.
And the thing is with the fuel as well, like, I wasn't worried at all. Like I know, well, I had like 100 miles left. It was telling me. Yeah. And I knew that I could even stretch it out for a whole week if I wanted to. Like I had to go Romford and the bar didn't move at all. Like,
yeah. It literally it's
so good for fuel.
It's really good. Like I have got. I mean, even for my pretty long journey there and back, I think if I'd kept it going, it'd be about 450 miles to a tank. So it's like 37, 38 average on the whole cycle. So, and mine's a manual. This will cruise in 7th. No problem. I love these guys. I'm never going to stop doing the channel, but you'll see it if you listen to the Q&A. Yeah. I was saying to the guy, when there's a 50th edition, I'm not going to be reviewing that. It's going to be like electric.
Yeah. It's just not going to be the same.
This is it. This is kind of why, I mean, people can kind of look back and go, these cars were awesome.
It says so. The sale of combustion engines is going to stop when?
2030.
2030.
So not.
So do you think that they will come out of one more before that?
I don't think they will, because they went so early with turbo.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You know, it's like
yeah.
They just can't, and they're such.
The thing is, they're going to try and they're going to promote. Like, if you look at all these car channels now as well, they're all just promoting,
and it's
especially
boring.
Auto Trader.
It's boring. All the electric stuff. I'm like, I've
so
just watch it. I mean, we got a BMW i3 behind us now.
It's not this. You know what I mean?
It's definitely not this.
Yeah, like you can't compare it, man.
You're never gonna get. Literally, when this i3 gets near us, like, he's gonna hear.
The best they'll probably do is like make sound effects better on the electric cars to make you think you're driving a combustion engine.
It's like a washing machine, fridge, freezer. You know, you got it all. And
so all they're gonna do now is just gonna focus on the interior and probably stuff like that, like entertainment wires and stuff like that. That's all they can do with electric vehicles. Just make it more entertaining while you're charging. Make the chargers faster. They're probably gonna they're not even gonna release, like right now, you know, they could easily probably make a 600-mile range vehicle, but they're not, because just like the iPhones, they need to have issues so we can bring out a better one.
Completely.
It's a money thing.
It's all money, and they've got to do it for the majority, and it's why that we reckon they've taken the CS45 off sale, because they want to sell like your other half's R line and stuff like that. That's where they want to be putting the computer chips.
Yeah.
It's not. I'm not buying it. I mean, because I grew up in the 90s, noughties. It's like I like combustion engine cars. I like the heads-up display. The blue looks pretty cool.
Yeah. So I don't know. Like it does help sometimes.
Yeah, it doesn't it doesn't like distract you from the road.
Yeah, exactly. It's like, and you can always turn it off if you don't want it on. Change what colour it is as well. There's only two.
So I like the blue.
The blue I prefer.
I also didn't notice from yours, because I saw it in such great sunshine, like the ambient lighting and stuff like that, because that was on the CS45. That looks really cool. The little things like that make a huge difference. Yeah.
Small little things.
If we get a section, I'll have him. Scare him with the water. No problems for us. But I was saying it to the other guy as well. When you're going slowly and you have to go slowly, that's when the bangs are at their best. Like we were saying, between 3 and 4K. Exact same on the Clubsport. But when you're really on it, it actually sort of says, it sort of tones that down and lets you focus on actually how to drive the car.
Yeah.
It's definitely going to pick it up, because you've got the pan roof. It will surely make the noise. Oh, I don't know if to go. I'm gonna tilt it slightly further down just to make sure I'm gonna get some footage. But mine's been making maybe I'm learning from all these Akrapovic exhaust tests. My R's been sort of randomly, it would do like a really loud bang. I was like, where did that come from?
Jealous.
Settle down. Because normally it's just a boom, 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 boom.
Car's like, alright Sam, you want pops and bangs? I'll give you pops and bangs.
It just goes.